sa mga nakita ko sa inyong ugali, yung isa maingay, yung isa tahimik. Diba? At maganda naman yun. At least dalawang putahe. Kapag yun ang kinakain mo, magsasawa ka. No? At least may give and take relationship. Na kung saan along the way, nakikita nyo rin yung difference ninyo, pati sa kabila ng differences ninyo, pwede naman kayo magkaroon ng, sabihin natin, middle ground. Diba? At doon nangyayari tinatawag natin ideal husband and wife.
As the saying goes, to one's life, rain must fall. And the challenge to a couple is not to simply make it through the rain, but to see the rainbow after the rain. Out of God's love, you were united as one through the sacrament of matrimony. And united as one, you are much wiser. Two heads working as one. United as one, you are more stronger. Four hands, four arms, working together. And united as one, till death do you part, you can always see the rainbow after the rain.
It's always been you, love. It's always